Ways of greetings. Good morning. Good morning. 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 Good evening. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good day to you. Good day to you. Good night. Good night. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. Good morning, sir, how are you? Good morning, sir, how are you? It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Howdy. Howdy. Howdy, folks. Howdy, folks. Howdy, stranger. Howdy, stranger. Greetings. Greetings. Hi. Great to see you. Hi. Great to see you. Hi. Nice to see you. Hi. Nice to see you. Hi, how is it going? Hi, how is it going? What's up? What's up? Hi, long time no see. Hi, long time no see. How have you been lately? How have you been lately? Good to see you. Good to see you. How are things? How are things? Hi. Hi. Different ways to say how are you. How is life sailing? How is life sailing? What's good in the hood? What's good in the hood? How are things coming along? How are things coming along? How is it rolling? How is it rolling? How is everything coming together? How is everything coming together? What's the highlight of your day so far? What's the highlight of your day so far? Is anything interesting happening in your life lately? Is anything interesting happening in your life lately? How do you do? How do you do? What are you up to? What are you up to? Are you well? Are you well? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How was your day? How was your day? What's the latest buzz in your world? What's the latest buzz in your world? How's everything? How's everything?
Different ways to say I'm doing well. Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. Not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Can't complain. Can't complain. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. All the better for seeing you. All the better for seeing you. Very well. Very well. Fit as a fiddle. Fit as a fiddle.
Different ways to say, I'm not doing well. I'm under the weather. I'm under the weather. I am ill. I am ill. I feel like crap. I feel like crap. I hurt all over. I hurt all over. I have come down with a cold. I have come down with a cold. I caught a bug. I caught a bug. I think I am going to be sick. I think I am going to be sick. I am feeling sick. I am feeling sick. I don't feel very well. I don't feel very well. I have been feeling very ill since breakfast. I have been feeling very ill since breakfast. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm fatigued. I'm fatigued. I'm burnt out. I'm burnt out. I've been feeling run down lately. I've been feeling run down lately. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm feeling unwell lately. I'm feeling unwell lately. I feel bad. I feel bad. I'm feeling low. I'm feeling low. I am sick as a dog. I am sick as a dog.
Ways to explain specific pain. I have a sore arm. I have a sore arm. I have a bad headache. I have a bad headache. I am feeling nauseous. I am feeling nauseous. I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I have diarrhea. I have diarrhea. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a flu. I have a flu. I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. My throat is sore. My throat is sore. My throat is itchy. My throat is itchy. I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy. I'm depressed. I'm depressed. I have watery eyes. I have watery eyes. I have a backache. I have a backache. Different ways to say what's your name. What can I call you? What can I call you? What do you call yourself? What do you call yourself? Can I have your name, please? Can I have your name, please? May I ask for your name? May I ask for your name? What was your name again? What was your name again? Please tell me your name. Please tell me your name. Please state your name. Please state your name. How may I address you? How may I address you? How can I address you? How can I address you? How should I address you? How should I address you? What should I call you? What should I call you? What is your first name? What is your first name? What is your last name? What is your last name? What is your full name? What is your full name? Please identify yourself. Please identify yourself.
Different ways to say nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. It's great connecting with you. It's great connecting with you. It's awesome to meet you. It's awesome to meet you. Lovely to meet you. Lovely to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Delighted to make your acquaintance. Delighted to make your acquaintance. Nice to virtually meeting you. Nice to virtually meeting you. It's been nice talking to you. It's been nice talking to you. Happy to meet you. Happy to meet you. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. It's been a pleasure connecting with you. It's been a pleasure connecting with you. I am pleased to have connected with you. I am pleased to have connected with you. Blessed to connect. Blessed to connect. It's been a pleasure talking to you. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Tell someone to keep you informed. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know how it goes. Let me know how it goes. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. Keep me updated. Keep me updated. Keep me in the loop. Keep me in the loop. Tell me if you find anything. Tell me if you find anything. Get back to me when you can. Get back to me when you can. Keep me up to date. Keep me up to date. Keep me informed of any developments. Keep me informed of any developments. Brief me regularly about the situation. Brief me regularly about the situation. Notify me of any changes. Notify me of any changes. Let me know what you find out. Let me know what you find out. Fill me in on the details. Fill me in on the details. Keep me apprised. Keep me apprised.
Praising someone for their great job. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Good effort. Good effort. Good going. Good going. Good job. Good job. Nice job. Nice job. You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. You made it looks easy. You made it looks easy. Super duper. Super duper. I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud of you. It's a classic. It's a classic. I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it. Now nothing can stop you. Now nothing can stop you. Superior work. Superior work. Terrific. Terrific. That was first-class work. That was first-class work. Way to go. Way to go. That's a real work of art. That's a real work of art. Not bad. Not bad. Right on. Right on. Super. Super. Couldn't have done it better myself. Couldn't have done it better myself.
Different ways to say just kidding. It's just a joke. It's just a joke. I'm just teasing you. I'm just teasing you. Just joking. Just joking. Don't take it seriously. I'm just joking. Don't take it seriously. I'm just joking. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm only being silly. I'm only being silly. It was only a joke. It was only a joke. I'm just fooling around. I'm just fooling around. I'm just pulling your leg. I'm just pulling your leg. I was only jesting. I was only jesting. Just teasing you. Just teasing you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.